package.
What did you get?
On the buckle. So it's probably my... I have some biker jeans that I wanted.
Have you guys searched from the buckle before?
Yeah.
Is the buckle like awesome?
It's my favorite store.
Oh, you got, yeah. So, ooh.
They're the biker buckle, biker jeans.
Oh, those are pretty sweet.
Yep. I'm gonna go try them
Hugo
on.
likes them.
Yep.
All right. Well, let's see what happens.
All right. I put my boots back on for effect because I figured that they went with the jeans. What do you think, honey?
Like them.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, those are cool.
See the pockets?
Yeah.
Yeah. So now I normally
Get a better shot of the pockets. Let's see. There you go. Yeah, cool pockets.
Now I normally wear a 26 or a 27, but I saw on the reviews that these were a little on the tight side, so I got a 27. 27's a little big, but they fit pretty snug through here. So
If you wash them, they'll get tighter.
I'm sure they will. Yep, but I think I might have a new favorite pair of jeans.
Right on. Yeah, those are cool. Those are cool.
You like them? See, I like the detail. So now you're a motorcycle racer. Do your pants come like this?
They actually kind of do make some pants like that. You know, they do. For your knees and for flex. A lot of street stuff. Off-road stuff, yeah, they do that with off-road, definitely. But they don't look like jeans. But those are cool. You like them, honey?
I love them. These are
good
definitely a good pick.
See ya.